Hi, I'm Thumb. This channel shares recipes for cooking healthy meals. You can find Thumb's personal recipe links in the video description. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel to get the recipe. Today, I want to share a money-saving way to freeze ginger slices. It's quite convenient for quick use before cooking. After washing the ginger you bought, decide whether to peel the ginger based on your cooking preferences. Thumb prefers to peel the ginger using a spoon. There's a small creative idea at the end of the video. Please remember to watch until the end. After peeling the ginger, rinse it briefly with water. Pat it dry with kitchen paper towels. Start slicing and shredding the ginger. If ginger becomes moldy or spoils, it can produce excessive aflatoxins, potential carcinogens. For safety reasons, even if you remove the affected part, it's not advisable to consume it. Prepare and freeze the ginger all at once. Apart from convenience in preparation and storage, it also helps avoid the above situations, ensuring safe consumption. You can find free, healthy ginger recipes in the video description. Feel free to subscribe to get them. Prepare cooking paper. Fold it back and forth in a Z pattern, like the English letter Z. The length of the folds should be smaller than the size of the storage bag or container. Trim the excess length with scissors. Thumb's preferred storage bag size is 18-20 centimeters. Fold the cooking paper in half. It fits the size of 2 storage bags perfectly. Place the folded cooking paper into the storage bags. Just like a wallet, there are multiple compartments. For 1 serving of a dish, the average amount of ginger commonly used. Thumb measures 30 grams of ginger slices. 15 grams of ginger shreds are placed in each compartment of the storage bags. No need to thaw for your next cooking. You can stir-fry directly. The storage bags, you can reuse it after use. Take a look at the frozen ginger slices. Just like a wallet, compartment by compartment, full of ginger slices. If only it were money. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time. Ciao!